Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have a video all about my favorite minis. I think I've come across minis in lots of different ways. Sometimes it's like a gift with purchase, sometimes it's like a gift set that you buy or like a value set, and sometimes it's like a deluxe sample. You know, like there's always something going on. There are certain products that you can actually buy in large form and mini form, and I just wanted to talk to you today about a few of my favorites. A lot of these are lip products. I find that I come across a lot more minis in lipsticks than I do in a lot of other things, but I have much more than just lip products here, but there are a lot of lip products. These are from Bare Minerals. These are their Gen Nude liquid lipsticks. They actually sell a couple shades in this small form right here. Bare Minerals often puts out gift sets around the holidays, and a lot of the time they include their liquid lipsticks in them. So I have a couple shades. The one that I'm actually wearing today on my lips is Swag, which is just like this beautiful mid-tone, like rosy pink, goes with everything type shade. And then I also have this one here, which is Juju. I've had some more of these. I've decluttered a few just because, you know, my lip collection is huge and I just needed to pare it down a little bit. This one's a little bit deeper than the Swag color, but I love this formula. It's so good. That's another reason I kind of wanted to make this video, was like it's really fun to try new things without having to pay the full price for them, you know? So that's how I come across a lot of minis too. Like I will almost always buy it in a mini form if it's available, as opposed to buying like a full size. All right, next for lipsticks. This is from Anastasia. These are a gift set and it's still available this time of year. This is the matte lipstick set. This one is kind of like the more mid-tone or rosy or nude shades. She also has like a bright, vibrant pink kind of one that you can get, and I think this is an amazing value because you get 4 different colors, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it's pretty much the same price as buying just one, and there's just like so much variety in here. Again, I really like the formula on these. This one is called Spice. This one is one of my favorites. It's called Dead Roses. It's just this really like deep muted plummy neutral shade. And then we have Kiss and Soft Pink. Kiss is much more of a nude, and then Soft Pink is obviously a very soft pink. I just think it's so great to be able to try 4 different shades for like almost the price of one. This formula is really, really good. It's very matte to the point where it's very thick that it kind of almost drags across your lips when you apply it. But once it's on, it stays like almost the entire day. And for a bullet lipstick to do that is pretty incredible. So I highly recommend these. All right, primer is another category that you often see for sale, smaller or travel sizes. That's another word for minis, travel sizes. And it's a really good way to try a formula to see if you like it. So I have a couple here. I have the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Now this is one that I've been using up. You can see it's getting a lot of use. And then I have 2 kind of backups in my collection. It's the same exact size. These were all 100 point perks from Sephora. If you're able to kind of build up your point perks or build up your points, you can redeem them for point perks, and it's a really good way to try like a real bougie high price tag product like this for free, and see if you like it. Just even if you do like it but you don't intend on ever purchasing it because it's really expensive, at least you get to use it for free. And then same with the Benefit Professional. They always have the mini sizes for sale in a travel size, but also Sephora so much of the time does point perks with Benefit Professional. It's like one of their most common point perks. So I really love this primer. I actually like both of these a lot. This one is really good for more kind of like glowy lit from within kind of look to your skin. It's what I'm kind of wearing on this part of my cheeks, and Benefit Professional is what I'm wearing in the areas that I really need the pores filled in, which is kind of like more here and up here. This next set of minis is actually a set that you can buy together. This is from Fenty. This is the Fenty Gloss Balm. It's called Fenty Glow. And then we have the mini highlighter in Hustla Baby, which I think isn't the most popular, but one of the most popular. This one is so soft, and I love it. It's become a real favorite. I wear it a ton this summer, and that's it right there. It's just this like real nice champagne highlighter, but it has a little bit of like this reddish, like burnt reddish undertone, like this kind of way it reflects. It's really beautiful on, especially the way it catches the sunlight. And I've talked about this so much since I got it, but I don't even like gloss that much, you guys. Like, you know, I hardly ever use glosses, but this one just has my attention. There's two other girls at work that like just separately went out and bought it. Like, so many people are obsessed with this gloss. It's so pretty. I mean, it's just like this nude gloss, but it has this reflect in it, like this kind of, not glitter, but this light catching gold reflect. It's so beautiful on. It's just one of those glosses that just make your lips look so juicy and like ready to make out. Like, it's so beautiful. So this set together, I believe, was like $23 Canadian, which again, I love being able to try the value sets, to be able to try different things at a lower price point than having to go out and buy the products separately. I think that's always fantastic. Next, from Tarte, I have two of their Amazonian clay blushes. This one was actually the birthday gift last year, and I think you can buy it still by itself. This one is Party. Now, I don't use it as much as some people I know. I know people who have panned it completely because they love it that much. But there is it right there. It's very much kind of a neutral pink. Not sure how well that's coming across. It's a little light for me this time of year. Like, it doesn't really show up in my skin right now. But the one I'm actually wearing right now on my cheeks is this deep, kind of very deep apricot nude. It's called Oasis, and I actually got this in a Tarte value set at one point in time, and I've loved it since then. I'm going to put it down here right underneath of the Fenty highlight. It's so pretty. Like, you can see just how deep that is. I love that they're matte, they're very pigmented, but they're very blendable. A lot of the time Tarte around holiday will come out with like bunch of these little mini sizes together in a set. Like, it's such a good way to try the Tarte blushes, which by themselves are like $30 each. So, you know, have at it if you can get it in the smaller size. It's no secret that I love the Stila Glitter and Glows, and I did actually end up receiving one of these as a gift with purchase from Sephora. You know, you spend like $35 and you get a free whatever it is, and this one is in Kitten Karma. So it is very tiny, but you could get a lot of uses out of this because you don't need to use a lot. You know, it's the kind of thing where you can just put like on top of your lid, just tap it on, get that beautiful like glitter going on. It's so pretty. Like, honestly, I love this so much. Actually, why don't we just put it onto this eye look? By the way, this eye look is a multiple palette bingo that I just filmed, and it should be up already. I'll link to it if you want to know anything that is on my face. But let's just add a little bit to right over this area here, and you'll kind of get an idea of just how much glitter. Like, look at how beautiful that is. And then you can, if you want to blend it a little bit more, you can kind of just tap on it with your finger. That's so pretty. Like, look at the difference between the two eyes. This was already like really pretty and light catching, but now this is like just bam, like glitter, sparkle. It's so pretty. Bet you weren't expecting me to like change my whole eye look. Well, not the whole eye look, but anyways, you can actually buy these sometimes, the little mini guys, in a gift set. They did bring one out last holiday. There is one currently on Sephora Canada, I know, that has 3 different shades of this all in one. Again, just a really good way to experience different shades at a much lower price. And finally, this is one of my favorite minis. It's been a favorite for a very long time. This was from a gift set that I bought probably 2 Christmases ago, where I wanted to try the mascara, and it just so happened that they offered a gift set with a lipstick, a bonus lipstick, and this is from YSL. So this is, they do that quite often, by the way, which is why I'm kind of mentioning it. This is the Rouge Pour Couture lipstick in the shade 01, and it's red, and this is probably my favorite red lipstick of all time. It's just the most perfect, like, bright red shade right there. It's so beautiful. I love this. It's so creamy. It wears so beautifully. It's so pigmented. It glides across your lips. It's just one of those like statement reds. And I don't wear red a lot, but when I do want to wear red, there's very few that I reach for. This is one of them. It's such a beautiful red. So that is it for all of my favorite makeup minis. Let me know what your favorites are down in the comments below. Let me know how you came across it. Is it something that you can just go out and buy, or was it like a one-off kind of like you got it for free type product? I always love getting them for free, but I also love the ones that you can just go out and buy, because again, it's a way to kind of experience it without having to pay the full price. So there you go. I hope that you found this video very helpful. Definitely subscribe if you're new around here. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you at all. That's it for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.